Now here we have the Tecno Phantom V Flip, a super attractive device because it is a budget foldable. This device is distributed in India at a price of 49,999 rupees. That is approximately $600. So it is very attractive. It has a round screen on the outer cover. It's obviously much smaller than what Samsung can come up with, so it's very reminiscent of a smartwatch interface. And on this back, we're going to find its photographic system, consisting of a 13-megapixel ultra-wide angle camera and the 64-megapixel main camera. Inside, we will find a 32-megapixel camera for selfies, and its processor is the MediaTek Dimensity 8050. In addition, on the inside, its screen is 6.9 inches with full HD resolution and AMOLED technology. It is also a screen with LTPO technology, and its maximum peak brightness is 1000 nits. Its battery is 4000 milliamps with support for fast charging of 45 watts. It comes with Android 13, and in this case the fold of the screen is not so noticeable. It additionally has 256 gigabytes of storage. So I think it's a very good foldable device for someone who doesn't want to spend that much but wants to try this kind of advanced technology.